but I stayed on the grind. Fuggy food, take your foot off the clutch. Youngie Dave, Enzi, Jongi Squad, Sibo P, Isugil, Kuzonyi, Nzabaki Sango Pipe. I got my foot on this pipe. It's about Baki Sango Pipe. Got my foot on this pipe. It's about Baki Sango Pipe. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done.
Ngumama ke ofikelelekayo kwindidi zonke ezilapha emhlabeni. Uthetha ukutsho oko. Ngumama odilishana nabantwana abahlukumezekileyo. Ngumama ongathandiyo into bana umjaje omnye umuntu. Ndizawuthetha ngabantwana abasahali. Siyabaqaphela ngosabantwana bethu. Abantwana bethu from the start ukhula kwabo. Kula age kuthiwa bakukar. Ndinendidi ke zeplant endinazo ezine ezinika isayini yokuthi umntana umqaphela xa enjani ukuba umntana unjani na. Ndine-lollipop tree. La lollipop tree ichaza into yokubana lo mntana uqokelelelene, which is isifandoshinda la mntana ingcono. Ndibe ne-pine tree. I-pine tree uyambona mosinjani. I-pine tree iyenje nje iyamacalonke xa kumoya. Uthetha ukuthi la mntana uliwequ. Ndizoba ne-bushy tree. The bushy tree ichaza into yokubana uyamkhangela lo mntana, awuyazi ingqondo lo mntana apha ikhoyo. Ndizothi zi-single parents ndicela sibe open ebantwaneni bethu. Namhlanje sinamapharapara, phofu nithi ngabapharapara. Akekho umzali ozale ipharapara. Sizeli olonwabo, sizeli osonwabile, asizalanga pharapara. You cause yourself la mntana umbizi ngoba na ulipharapara. Okwesibini sizeli bona njena funeka abantu asibabonisa indlela. You don't judge that la mntana. Uba la mntana ubimela yakwakho awumjaji umjaji. Ngoba kaloku la mntana ufuna ukwakhiwa nguwe. Mzali, ndithetha nawe single parents. Single parent icela ube nenyani ebantwaneni bethu. Abantwana bethu engapha beneza engas phaphandle besenza into ezingezizo because you don't tell i-reality la mntana ubungubani waphi. Awumchazeli la mntana utata wakhe ubungubani na. La mntana ufuna uzazi ubana ungubani waphi. You don't take that anger from the father who is saying emntaneni. Umntana mnyeka azibonela aziyele umntana wakhe. Ndithi single parents guqukana. La nto izalisekisa into abantwana makokwenza into ezingekhoyo estratweni. Izalekisa into yobana umntana makahamba okhuthuza. Umthiye ke wena ke ukwazi uthiya uthi lipharapara. There is no parapara at all bethunana. Masiye kubahlukumeza abantwana sibathiya amagama, besibathiya amagama enzalweni zabo. Ndimile apho.
Danko. Inkosi man.
Hey everyone, Street Vision, talking to your boy Khanya Maykee. We're sitting here up with uPuduza Strazela bangubani igama lakhe. Yo Khotman yami grand.
Molo bhuti wami ndiyabulela ukuba lapha namhlanje kunjani kuwe?
Sibulele inkaso bhuti, sibulele noba lapha. It's nice to be here. We just want to know about the event iqale nini bhuti wami?
Le event iqale ngonyaka ophelileyo ngo-2022 nge-27 ka-April apho besicelebrate khona i-Freedom Day. Qha ngenxeni yoba ke ngoku abantu baye bayithanda saqonda uba namhlanje masenze u-return wayo umjikelo wayo. So last week Thursday ibi-27 ka-April bekusuppose uba siyayenza qha ngenxa yobu-skeptic be-weather ne-load shedding sayindaba sayimuvela namhlanje nge-Workers Day.
It's a good one, it's a good one, it's a good one. We see abantwana badibene nabantu abadala kuyathengiswa ispinach nami ngizozifumanela pha i-orange. Asi ama-piano artist, hip hop artist sihlangene endaweni eyi-1 sicelebrate i-Freedom Day. What it means kuwe bhuti wami le nto uyenzileyo for not only for wena, for abantu.
It meant a lot for me because i-youth yiyo elikhubalo lwesizwe ikwayiyo nelikhubalo le-community. So xa kukhona amathubo avulelekayo for abantu abatsha bazakwazi ucentralizana nomobilizana no-organizana ukwenzele bakwazi ukukhulisana so that the next person can recognize the next person. Umzekelo let's say ndiza apha ndiyi-lyricist but ndidinga i-beatmaker, so this is a space where I can network and find i-producers, i-beatmakers, i-photographers, i-dancers nabanye abantu abakwi-industry yam. Yeah.
Ukhawulela njani nemeko ezinjengeweather ngoba besibebelele event ibisuppose iye yange-27 kodwa yapostpone to i-29. Namhlanje sonwabile asiyazi ubana ngalamini uba bekuzoba njani uba besiziye sazodibana kodwa sifuna ubulela inkxaso yabantu abazileyo. Wena ungathetha uthini kubantu abasupportileyo namhlanje babukeliwe?
Ndifuna ukuthi kubantu abakwazileyo uphumelela namhlanje into yoba bazosapota le nkqubo ndiyabulela kakhulu ngokungazenzisiyo nangona bengakhange bakwazi ukuphumelela bonke enkqubeni ngenxeni into yoba ke benezinye ii-commitments kodwa abo baphumeleleyo namhlanje ndifuna ukuthi ndibamba ngazo zozibini kubo ngoba noko iyabonakala ngoku into esiyenzayo uba ibheka phi. So namhlanje njengoba sisho uba sithetha nge-Workers Day sithetha nange-Freedom Day and also sicelebrate nabantu abenza amashishini abalapha ekuhlaleni njengomama uNozuko Mdingi obizwa one-organization ebizwa ngoba ilukhanyiso nomnye umama walapha ekuhlaleni othengisa i-fruit and veg okwalapha ebhek kwam naye njengoba ke ngole ndawo lena siyibiza ngoba i-Thandazo market stalls. Kwezi stalls naphana kukho somashishini abana-exposure enough, so le ndawo ke ngoku ingayindawo apha ke ngoba nofumana exposure enough even from outside communities.
Inxaxheba uyithathileyo bhuti wami sifuna ubulela kakhulu ngoba uthathe ixesha lakho wasi-organizer wasidibanisa apha namhlanje. Kumnandi man, ndifuna uxoka nami ndonwabile. Babukeli, this is Khanya Maykee with ubhuti Umhambi Wendlela. Street Vision, let's go. We'll take you to the show ngoku apho yenzeka khona le nto, masambeni siyeni khona.
It's your boy Mthembu and as we're still about okay, we still added up for the freedom event, all that yabo. Right about now I have like two ladies about good yabo. Yeah, I won't say like gabe hip hop, I won't say like gabe scoop no. Basa ngiqalela ngokwabo yabo. So ngiqale ngaphi. Okay, ngiqale ngapha ekuse. Alright, this is some.
Dephila kona njani wena?
Nami no right man. Okay, ngicela sibaxelele igama.
Okay, so igama lami nguMelisa soyena ngihlala eKuyasa go 55. The Blaq Panda, I have a dance crew.
Wait. Sizasho mayibo. Hey, hayi azakubamba kanje ngo. Hayi ayenza ukuyeka. Okay, choma okay ngicela ubuza ke u-right iqala msiqale pha. Right ne? Nami no right andibona right kakhulu mos mina. Ngicela ubuza ngiba igama ke choma.
Igama lami ngingu-Anazina.
Anazina. Hey. Oh, so guess what you were saying, Blaq Panda, what?
Yeah, so Blaq Panda.
Part of Blaq Panda.
Yeah, I'm part of Blaq Panda. I'm actually a manager or a leader. Yeah, and I'm also the choreographer. Yeah.
So tell me more, like what do you do for Blaq Panda?
Okay, so iqale ngabantwana manento basicala abantwana baseKuyasa yabo abane-talent nje basibafundise.
So like various talents like abajayivayo abaculayo
ba-actayo everything nje but okwangoku safocuse kumjayivo because iyona into esi-upliftayo ngoku engizenge-pressure so sibhizi ngaloo nto ngoku.
So when you manager umjayivo wakho lo?
Yeah.
does it feel, vibes? It's
Nothing wrong, man.
Well, the way you answer, what does it mean?
It means so much to me because the passion yam and into endifuna ukhula ndiyenza.
Yes. Niyayiva ke le way ke ngoku. So ngoku the only thing I'm gonna do ngoku basixelele basi ngabafumana phi. So masiqale pha Black Panthers in whole. Where do we get that?
Okay, so sifumeneka kuzo zonke social platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, zonke naku WhatsApp. So uBlack Panther wethu mspela as in BLVK.
Yeah.
Then ube nguPanthers. Ha.
Okay. So okwangoku safumana ividiyo zo jive.
Ekwangoku. There's still more to come though.
Yacho. Wena acho mama singakufumana phi wena wedwa?
I don't have a page, page I'm there.
Leki page kaloku ku Facebook ningubani?
Oh, mna anazinami Facebook.
Anazibani?
Anazinami ku Facebook.
Wena acho mama.
Animdlala Facebook mna.
Instagram, TikTok esinkulu. So sifumana phi uzifumana?
So Instagram when Melissa Swayena na ku TikTok ngumels official P05.
Hey! Ulvile Instagram, TikTok. Hey, hayi babandiyeke. So ke ndabulela thome zami yabo like ayithema ba abantu bayivile le way yenu nenu. So niza perform mos.
Sesiqubile.
Senqibile. Yo, Arab late. But yeah, bazovela kanjani ke. So yeah, it's still NBA Mthembu and the Black Panthers. So masithi peace.
Peace.
Sure.
Hello everyone, it's your boy Khanya Maykee. You know I'm with Straight Vision Films. Right here Kangwam, dinobhuti uzazichaza, but I heard something ethetha ngo-Astra man apha stage. Lo bhuti bekuvuthe stage ngoba perform. Astra, kasixelele more about your music. What's your background? Uhlala phi bhuti wami ngubani?
Yo, what's up, Mzansi? I go by the name Astra Man.
Yeah.
Originally, I'm Asisipo Mnyazi, all the way from King Williamstown, Maranhlala Pesaipi, Kotiar section, Dipoli, Maram Nan Shaipiana, Pelokshin, I wanna when I dance Shaipiano, I want vocalist Mapian. And the Rekiam, Lenny, has been this performing in the area.
Na single lena ubuperforma ngoku lena iphumile ngoba sibonile abantu bayajive, bayayazi, bayayicula bhuti wami. Umculo wakho ufumane kanjani?
Yeah, actually umculo wami I'm always featured on stuff, yabona wena Khotman.
Okay.
Otherwise everywhere I'm Astra Man.
Okay.
ASTRAMAN. Astra Man one time everywhere.
Astra Man singalindela ntoni kuwe kule season lena sikuyo? Usipana mhlambe ku-EP body of project EP okanye uzosibana sinikeze singles esijivisayo apha ewinter sibeshushu?
Okay, actually I'm working on my EP. It's a joint EP with DJ Timunda Manika who released Custard. Yeah, that producer of Custard told me that Manika, let's make a joint EP, you know what I'm saying? So I'm busy joint EP ngonomchita dropping 18 May on my birthday. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to J Cole, JM Loben Pifmana Epa Abokanda Shisa. But then nigga I'm featuring also there, and then I also have YX Fam also from SIB. It's also featured, also Capstad Kings is also featured in the feature. It's produced by DJ Dimunda. The name of the EP is I'm a Piano to the World. I'm a Piano to the World.
Ingabile into enje yoba i-artists amapiano ne-hip hop artists ne-gqom nabantu abajivayo babe sendaweni enje. Ucinga uba wena inoba i-impact yalento izawuphi sithini? Ngoba kaloku apha eKapa ubuyakhumbula ipiano belikade lingathathwa serious ngoba besimamela ipiano laseJoburg. Ithini i-way forward mission?
Andifuna uxoka Khroman, yabona uyithethayo it's true. Everywhere I go, I always intrude on hip-hop session stuff. Like on Saturday, 29, I was attending house party at Tony G, Special Kids on Earth. Shout out to Tony G.
Shout out to Tony G. That kid is special. That kid is special. He's really special, you know.
He hosted Lloydness. Lloydness was there all night. The one and only King Lloydness.
King Lloydness.
was there.
Wow.
So I always intrude on hip hop stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
But being there, I always put in the middle of the shit. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So that I can try Ndabazabantu. More from me.
More from you.
And then when they close the show, see if I like I'm a pair. And I'm international. They call me Astraman.
Bahlali, iniyamva uAstraman uthi album yeza. I-joint yakhe uyifeeling ngoma ethi khanda tshisa. Amakhandi washiye tshisa nyane stage. Astraman enkosi ebhuti wami.
Tango. By the way, I'm Astraman everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Astraman is a shoe.
Street Vision. Tango.
After we took hustle, all that shit was never same. Yeah. Now I'm busy learning like I'm schooling on the game. My chips so wet, feels like I've been mopping all the rain. I'm starting on a mission and they think that I'm insane. Once I finish what I started, all this shit won't be the same. Niggas flipping gossip, all I do is aim. I kill these niggas, then tell them it's time for bedtime. Y'all cannot pull up at me when I'm working, it's bedtime.
Molweni babukile emakhaya. It's your boy Khanya Maykee, Street Vision. Sihleli apha ke nomama uzosichazela ukuba ungubani, uzosichazela ngeorganization yakhe. Njengoba ubona uba kubusy apha emva, uye lona upha assistant sakhe esisipha. Ngabantwana bakhe aba singabantwana bakhe uzosixelela uba imenisha uthini le event kuye ye Freedom Day, inge Workers Day namhlanje. Inkosi mama.
Molweni emakhaya. Gama lami Nozuko Mdingi, but in popular ndaziwa ngoZuki, ngilapha eSide B. Umama uyisi Community Police Forum up eSide B, also a police station. I'm also dealing with the victim support and the founder of Khanya Children's Home all up eSide B. Onobangela ukubana ndibe lapha namhlanje lunculumangco kum kuba sasikade singenalo lamathuba okuthi sizivulele iNGOs neNPOs ngokunokwethu singabantu abamnyama. Kwithe sabaxesha leFreedom sakwazi uzenzela zonke izinto ngokunokwethu kwakho lanto kuthiwa ukuzenzele. Yes, and then into inenzekayo ke ngoku also into yasekhaya ke leyo into bana sikhulisa abantwana abangengobethu from outside sibabeke apha bafuna uba baye khona. There are many of them, like abanye babeseleNoksebe college Eastern Cape. Some they are lawyers, some they are doctors by now from Dingi's family. So I took that thing for myself. It's whereby ke ngoku ndingabajaji kwamntu, I don't judge para, I don't judge criminal. Ngabantu banye, they are united bebonke. That's why I found Khanya Children's Home. Khanya lona ngumntana oyengamameli kakhulu apha ekuhlaleni eSide B. Kusithiwa nguOrlando xa ibizwa i-nickname yakhe. Ndafumanisa abantwana bathiywa ngamagama anentsingiselo, anophuhliso. Ndazixelela into yobana i-organization yam zayithila Khanya Children's Home ngoba ulight and Khanya ebengafuni sorry ndibaphambili. Khanya ebengafuni into ebethwayo kumuntu ongumama. As from today namhlanje I'm standing ile organization ke engathathi intweni bethunana uba ninako baphulaphula noko nikafaka isandla because ndidilishana nabantwana abasuka ku-social workers in popular, and then abantwana most of the time we don't get anything. The only bus efika after so ulibele so sebenzisa a lot of your money in SDSD. So enkosi baphulaphula.
Ngicela ukubuza ke mama uba nikhawulelana njani ne-challenges ezinjenge-funding. Urhulumente ingaba uyayihoya i-movement yenu?
Urhulumente kuba ndisithi ithatha ixesha. Ithi into phaa kulaa mgaqo wethu, you are finding us after maybe we finish 5 years or 10 years udilishana nale NGO uhamba nayo, and then it's whereby une-access yokuthi uapply ngoku i-funding. It's a process okwangokusabetha kuthi ezibhokotweni.
Okay mama. Ingaba singasetha bani xa senifuna kwi-platforms?
Awundifuna kwi-platform uzawudibana nam Nozuko Mdingi. And ndikhona kwa-Facebook. I'm calling myself Nzuki in Facebook, and also my email it's mdingizuki@gmail.com. Let's say there. Thank you.
Usisuki enkosi kakhulu, masimbulele kakhulu enkosi mama. Siyabulela kakhulu.
hot in the streets against you haters a meal.
Hey yo, what's good my people? It's your boy Mthembu, and as I told you Laweba, I'll bring you like a creator, Zaliwe, a rapper, Indondon. We are in Bahama Lawe. Except we still out check the freedom expression yabo event yabo, and I got it arm. So okay man, okay. Hey yo G, kuhle put yo no. Nakazani. Yeah, kuhle na kuwe from ndala.
Yeah, kuhle.
Kanizani ngapi yangana ikamera.
Yikilo.
Nakazani bora man, nami ni grand.
Crank.
Kuhle na kumpu.
Hey. So okay, masikale ngabe kusethi kaxelele ba camera ba who you and like busy ndoni.
Yeah, okay. No man. Kamala nguvuyo ne.
Yeah.
AKA Cbaj. Yeah, I know. I'm still back in the game, man, you know. Yeah, I'm new to this game, man. Yeah, this stuff.
Hey, nigga be confusing us in the shit. I'm back in the game, I'm new in the game, but yeah, he's in the game, nigga. He's in the game. Hey yo, oh, this is my G. Hey yo. Except you got lungubani pam.
Okay, I'm the Kamalam pet. At only stage name Sam, the Kamalam le art, Lendi Pizzy, hip hop, it's Perry Chain. And the Pizzy busy hip hop, piano, hip hop, any genre.
Versatile.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But I am.
Okay, Ikamangu Cody, it's KODD, put the E to the Y. The hip hop artist, I'm a songwriter, all of that, yeah.
Ane. Hey yo! Yeah. Exact, awutsho buda ba.
Okay, yeah, igama ngudila you know.
Yeah.
Ngihlale town 2 from TIN gang.
Yeah. Look, like hey, see. Lama tsitse ka mentionela we mention hey eyes for drop eyes. Okay, this is the whole JNA gang and you alone and yeah. Aba phelelanga yo, these niggas a lot. Nigga, these niggas so jump you. Except sacho so pura yamu. Uso perform kanye yebe the vibes no.
Ngiza perform.
Yeah, I'm not so perform, I'm never.
Sure.
Because I only represent my art, and this is my nigga. Finally, to be a gaming, I pay some shit back then. So now,
that's what I want to dig into. Kage was going we are booyah. So
yeah, perform.
Yeah. And now it's
definitely performance.
Sure.
Yeah, also me.
Yeah. So yeah, man. Put personal account and mtulo wako samfumana wapi?
No, like Kong like send ukupilo kwangu. Yeah.
But you're still working on the shit.
Still cooking.
Oh, Perry is the nigga with the chains. That's what I like to call him. Perry, the nigga with the chains. Hey yo, kawucho buda like who you kisocials? Mtulo wako samfumana wapi?
Okay, socials. Ngiphatha Xolo Perry ku Facebook, ku Instagram, ngichains Nobula. And then umculo wami ufumaneka ku SoundCloud, search out Perry Chains Nobula, na ku Audio Mac, search out Perry Chains Nobula, na ku YouTube for and YouTube channel. You subscribe apana uzaku search Perry Chains Nobula. Ngalibali page gang, 10 gang, Instagram 10 gang only. Na ku Facebook 10 gang.
Yeah.
Samfumana from only get
links is pie links. Yeah, but I am personal account and mtulo wako samfumana.
Okay, like umculo wami ufumaneka everywhere except for iTunes like Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, Audio Max, Stick on Life, all of that. And with socials, nigga Cody, Facebook Cody KODDEY, Instagram is Cody _ KODD, put an E to the Y.
Nigga be rapping on the scene like hey yo G.
Yeah.
Kawucho pucho.
Okay, wami umculo ufumaneka ku YouTube, Audio Mac. Kwangu.
So when I get socials, imamins kaloku. Sifuna slider. Like when I get socials ukufumana
Facebook Themba Mabindla. Instagram dila ngumxhosa.
So yeah, ngoku Buda ngeziphe ingoma yakho qonde dile le hayi le like andisibana uyithanda njengezinye but ke hayi le bayavibe ngephi bona ndifuna bayisetha.
Okay, you2 never ride freestyle namandiyazi yabo asikhona ezinyenzo zikhupha zirong
ndazazi ngoba ngifuna ujabulisha mara ndazi ndezenjani ndifuna imali eninzi yethi so wena ngeyiphi le track yakho?
Let's shoot there like we seen last Thursday. We're shooting a music video. Kamala track with no L's. Music videos coming out soon on YouTube. So like check it out.
I was gonna ask about dropping in. Yo, siyathanda izinto lethina. Yo Tapi, ngeyiphi le yakho?
Mna like ngisaye akaphindi bra.
Akaliphe wala.
Yabo ngoku. Ngicela usearch wayo ungandizi. Ivideo yakhe i-out on YouTube. So uyatholakala nolakho kodwa bedimdrop izolo. But that's why ngizawubala like piano hip hop.
Okay, yes sir. Pura yami, please watch out for Grootman. Grootman kapino speak hama kokugqibela.
Okay. Cbaj. Yo, this is a motherfucking Cbaj.
Yeah. Drop and then house.
Yeah, I'm still working.
Yeah.
Contract besanoyenza nomfethu ne.
Yeah.
It's me and Lunik no Safix featuring Yardstick Records. Studio ska Safix.
Okay.
So ndimphana no Safix no Vuyo. Let's call him stage name sakhe ngulanduka uSearch. Phinde ke
ngoma ngubani?
Igama lengoma ngulanduka ndifuna imeter. Yes
sir.
So nilindele incasa no asi ukhona asi back then wayesenza ispaza ayisano sunrise.
Yes sir. Choke yabona, so please niye ko Facebook babo, ko Instagram babo, nebajonga ko YouTube babo and funa ba updated like I advise you niye ko Facebook babo from your boy MBM Mthembu. Machitam ngicela sithi peace.
Street Vision bafethu hleli no Khanya Maykee apha phambi kwami hleli no bhuti wami ozozichaza igama lakhe bawungibani. Bhuti wami siyakubona unxibe kahle. Sibonile nase stage bekhwaza besithi 2K baba. U2K baba ligama lakho?
Yeah, actually King yabona ligama lami 2K baba because igama lami livela kulaweba. Ngizalwe ngo-2000 and I'm the first one kwama 2000 and mbonayo ba upusha ngalendlela
tata wama 2K
so ndingutata ma 2K baba, the only one in the universe, a man with a double eye. Yandiva
yamva uthini sisaqhubekeka ke apha eshowini kodwa useza uperforma ubhuti wami ngoba bekhe waperforma. Sifuna sixelele ke ngokungoma zayiperforma oba ingaba i-out na ngoba nami ndingikhanya Maykee ndinayo ingoma naye akakayikhuphi kodwa ke siperformile stage ifans zithi maziphini. Ebhuti wami, when are you dropping a album? Ukhupha nini? Singalindela nini sina singabalandeli bakho umculo wakho?
Okay, for now ngizayiphendula le question yakho nepre but indaba i-1 nane group yami Mpuma Clan isiduka sezilalini. Last Sunday not leya izolo last week Sunday sikhuphe i-album yabona Not Sign 3 volume 3. So play album introduce u2K baba kwiMpuma Clan yabona since I'm new to the crew. So ke ngoku i-album yami na lezophuma nale ngoma ke ngoku asifani le ndibetha nawe. So izoba phuma according to apha kuJune oba July yabo, but end of June sabo bayaphuma yabo.
I-challenges obhekana nazo wena as i-artist ingaba zeziphi and ingaba indoni wena onqwenelayo?
Yabona ithana le question yakho because i-question inika ezininzi singakwazi uyiphendula uyabona, but ndithanda into eyi-1 you saying ndinqwenelaphi uyaphi yabo. So according to music mna i-challenges endidibana nazo like I know I'm dope yabo, but bakhona manje iqoma uba awukazi feel wena udope.
Says prepare
preparation for something big.
Something great, for something great.
Like something big, yabo.
Yeah.
So according to me, I know I'm good and I like in the end yonke into yam and struggle one. Oban kwazi kungiqonqela ibhiri, so i producers ziyandiphi beats ngokwazo, then most of the time ndihlala studio and ke on studio sami.
Omnye umuntu onqonela ufana nawe ngoba abantwana phana baye bacula ingoma yakho mhlambi in 5 years to come, 10 years to come bazawucula nabo, ungathini kubo?
One thing I will say, bro, keep moving forward, because I don't believe in lando kuthiwa uThixo funeka uthandaze imithandazo yakho izophenduleka, because I know
also sebenze
ingase because uthiwa uncedo oncedayo, so you've been helping yourself all along, yabo. So ke mna ke ndafunda thoba endaweni bani bendiguqa ndithandaza, how about showing ndiyenze mna lento benza ithandaza ndiyenze mna, yabo, until I can make it, bra.
Kamako people, utsho u2K apha uthi i-beat ufuna uzenzela, kodwa ke i-beats zika 2K, right? Okay, kodwa ke umculo ka2K uyafumaneka ku-Audiomack. Ikhona i-album ayikhuphileyo neMpuma Clan. iMpuma Clan ke ngamathida endibane nawo apha eNtshona Koloni. Ndiyafuna iqonda uba kutheni bezoba iMpuma Clan kodwa baseKapa, kuba ndiyayazi uba sisuke eKapa kodwa ndifuna acacisele abahlali kakuhle.
Bro, yabona ndithanda i-question yakho iyabuza uba kutheni sizoba iMpuma Clan.
Yeah.
First of all, the word Mpuma, you know, sithi Ntshona Koloni, Mpuma Koloni. So Mpuma comes from that word. Like Eastern Cape, isiduko sasezilalini, so i-clans isiduko, so Mpuma Clan isiduko sasezilalini. So according to uba ndithethe le way ndiyibhuda, then singabaXhosa sizinhlanga ngenhlanga, but bakhona ababathanda i-Eastern Cape, kuthiwa kusemaXhoseni ntoni, so we are representing Eastern Cape.
It's really good udibana nomuntu ozingca kanje ngesiXhosa. Uyazingca ubhuti2K ngesiXhosa. Masibulele Street Vision Films, let's go.
What's up? Kuninonke esibabe niyazi ke am NBA Mthembu, ndiphathele i-artists as extravagant. Ow! Yava. Yeah man, so like I know and ayazi bani qavile ndiyafuna ubazi. Masiqale ngawo bhuti wami, ngikhaxelele man ngubani igama.
Okay, igama lami Asemahle Fana Msipheka, all the way from emakhaya kodwendi. On stage I go by the name of Blak Kid Nitro.
Yeah, Blak Kid Nitro. Sise ngapha. I think you know him, kodwa ke procedure.
I go by the name Khanya Maykee. I'm from Ekuyasa, 56 session, original from Eastern Cape, Edutywa. Khela uthangane umbamba. Shut up.
Umbombo. Bodlinza. Amna kwethu. Asise ngapha bhuti wami.
Okay, lona Blaq Pride, otherwise ngihlala lapha ko Y, the YA like 151, a big culture also, yeah.
Hey, we have talent a big culture. Like culture yonke lena. Uyanibamba. So okay, I'm saying ngoku Blak Kid Nitro like wena ubusy noni, like what do you do exactly?
Okay. As for now, then people know me as the artist, but I'm also a videographer, video editor, and entertainer, so I can say, you know what I mean.
Shout out to that.
Yeah, I'm a rapper, producer, and also a presenter. You know, I wanna also do publishing. You know, I wanna own a magazine. You know, that's what we were talking about. That's on the other side. Me and my
privately,
homies, you know?
don't tell them.
These are all my homies right here.
Privately,
you know?
Privately, yeah.
Yeah, okay. By the way, like I said, I'm Blaq Pride though. Like I'm a music producer and artist, sound engineer student at Cape Oda College, here in Mowbray. So yeah, like I produce my own piece, by the way, and also like I mix and master my projects though. I work with a lot of artists in Kailicha, man.
So he produces his own beats. nigga, I'm a rapper, sizawuthetha nakanjani. Otherwise, yeah man, Basiti, how are the vibes up?
The vibes are just good, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, the vibe is awesome. Except the crowd is just giving out, man. Except I love that. Yeah, but the spirit, but except to keep pushing. Yeah, but they give you that attitude, but don't stop, go on. You know what I mean? Yeah, except man, if I but I just like it, man. Just love it.
Now we perform,
Yeah. I did perform. What a time to be alive, Kumnandi, you know, like watching people dancing, watching people drilling, do their own shit, you understand? Exposing the talent, man, that's what it's all about, you understand?
That's dope. Now, Budamu, you perform me, I had stage killers, now perform me, how are the vibes?
The vibes weren't good, like, because now, like, even though there are some few disappointments, but the event, like, now went well, though, like, my performance was so lethal because I performed 3 songs, Ghost Rider, Mother City, Intro, because it's an EP that I'm going to drop next month, though, like, I'm going to announce it on TikTok.
Yeah. So,
yeah, well, I'm available in Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, but I can give you my number, you can get my number, like, talking to me, Instagram, like, I'm also available, like, now, all the social networks are written, official Blaq Pride 001. Again, official Blaq Pride 001.
Yeah, so
now I'm available at Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, YouTube. I also have some few music videos with the man behind the camera right now.
We've been working with each other because and they power away so we don't die, we multiply. Okay, Buduamu, where do we get you socials?
On socials you can get me on Facebook, Blak Kid Nitro /African Nightmare. On Instagram is Blak_Nitro_RSA.
Sure. Umculo wakho?
Umculo wami, okay, for now let's just say YouTube, Audio Mac, SoundCloud. You can get
ingoma like Isasa. How do you feel about that song though? Like how do you feel about that song? Because when perform and ngibukela vibe, hey, abantu baqhabula amazaza kodwa bengenawo kwenza kanoni. How do you feel about that song?
Yo, bruh. It's more than I expected because for me it was just a vibey song, me entertaining, you know. So for me they react in a way that
come in Shabelle. A remix is on the way.
Oh yeah.
Remix on the way.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, YouTube yeah for my name. Yeah, Blak Kid Nitro ZA. What is this? Oh yeah, Audio Mac, SoundCloud, Slick Out Live, Blak Kid Nitro ZA. Okay, as with the remix it's on its way. It's me, Maykee, Big Smoke the rapper, Fika KR, and Nation Rhymes on it.
Sure. It's about solid. Yeah, so like when I'm like tell us where can we get you? Calling a personal accounts. Who's the girl grab him to
Khanya Maykee on all platforms. Just like Khanya Maykee on all platforms. Khanya is my real name, and Maykee is a rap name. So I had to fuse that because I feel like people gotta take it from me, not as an artist. I don't want to be taken as an artist. You know, I'm a human at the end of the day. So it's just Khanya Maykee on all platforms, you know.
We'll be bringing you like abantu, and like I've got the partner in crime so interview with Shaban we both work together. Yeah, so we're gonna say the only thing but peace.
Street Vision, it's Khanya Maykee. Ndihleli apha with Leon. Uzasichazela kakuhle banzi ngaye. Leon, how are you today?
I'm feeling good. How are you?
I'm fine, Leon. Leon, I won't lie. Even though I was multitasking, your performance caught my ear. We want to know more of you. Who is Leon?
Leonna is a girl who just fell in love with the industry and the fact of doing music and the hip-hop game, and I just want to make a difference.
Oh, Leon, what's your name on Facebook? So, what's your name on all platforms so that people can be able to search you?
Honestly, I don't have an IG, but on Facebook, I'm Leonna Nard, and you can get my number later.
So, it's hip-hop, it's hip-hop, right?
Yeah, it's hip-hop.
Oh, okay. So, what inspired you to do rap?
Ooh, what inspired me to do rap? So I can't sing. So mostly, let me specify this. Mostly I could say just that I had a lot to say and I had a lot to wanted to share, and me just in loving with hip hop is just like a totally change for me, because I found it more difficult for people to rap real music. So I choose to take a stand and rap for them and how to bring back the original hip hop where it came from.
Yeah.
So that's how I fell in love.
Wow, we have a hip hop queen on its way in Cape Town. Uhlala eKhayelitsha okanye uhlalaphi?
I'm from Khayelitsha Cbaj section. That's where I'm from, yeah.
Oh, so Cbaj has always, came through when it comes to rappers. Like Pizzo is from here, right? Khayelitsha is from here.
Yeah.
My homie Bravo is from here.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit. Sisu, I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Also, as is the Street Vision team, we'd love to, explore and search your music. We want to know when are you dropping your new music?
Okay, I'm gonna make it a surprise because right now I'm kind of in a hectic situation with the music. But yeah, soon though, soon.
But we can wait for that fire though. Leon, bahlale emakhaya inkosi kakhulu, Street Vision, Khanya Maykee. We're live here with Freedom of Expression. I'm chilling apha cangwam nomlingane wam uzozazisa.
Yes sir.
What's up, my nigga?
Kuhle my G. Okay, I go by the name of Mthembu.
Yeah.
I think you all know me guys. Siyama nakansani man. Otherwise like silapha kutheni Freedom of Expression, like shout out to that my G.
My G, I won't lie, I've seen you perform, and I've seen how people react to your music. Your music has that 808. Umculo wakho xa umamela uyathetha, but at the same time uyajayivisa. This sound that you're making, what's in the background? What inspires you?
Okay, yeah, as you all know, I once released the EP called Unlucky Trapper, and then after EP I released a single that's called Chasing the Guap, So basically, Unlucky Trapper, I was expressing the emotional side of me and while popping and but chasing the guap is like even now it's chasing the guap. We need to be hardcore, we need to be like that. So background is inspired by the way events that happen in my life. As in bar I speak of corner track Unlucky Trapper and said, let me tell you about my friend. I'm talking about so now I'm always there, but like I'm trying to push message at the same time popping, like you said, yeah, that's what I can say.
I-challenges event organizers ezingazibhukishiyo local artists okanye ezibhukishayo but zibhukishe i-artist ezinkulu ngemali, and then thina sizi-local artists uzifeyisa njani ezo challenges? Because umzekelo you are independent, awukho signed. How do you deal with all these things, man?
Actually, like I won't lie, currently like isshow not like we booked, is we created at those shows, but I must perform kuzo. So we can't wait for event organizers to make like ixesha for Tina. Yeah, but while Tina we edit, like we can do ourselves. Yeah. Otherwise, they all know we sine kasi festivity, sine only like last week, like I won't say last week, like it's linye. I was once at the show where Harare, yabo, la way enze brother yam, that's called chef, yabo. So like I'm all about like don't wait for opportunities to come.
Create ones.
While you can create and go chase
ungalibali ufaka exclamation, never forget us created opportunity wakho zenzele platform yakho.
Yeah, it's like in the corner, like today I created like I would say like a page, but it's basically a magazine where I'll be advertising local artists like Tina Chiyabo. Apana asizofaka putletsheni ba no disrespect, asizofaka bravo, asizofaka holy up. We all about like say or Major Plays or Big Smoke or My G or 2K Baba. Yabo like iwezinze like bra, if we don't create opportunities to like ngubana just create. I'm saying I'm waiting for someone to book me. But G like go get it la way yabo. Yeah.
With the Kayali with the Cape Town wave booming up artists isibone TV ni insa into enje ngoba we remember ngexesha lespaza it was another genre that was a sub-genre to what we were doing.
Yeah bro, but like if you look at it this way, ispaza paved the way for iXhosa trap, like they can say, because of like abantu baphethe ngoku like iXhosa trap yabo. They'll be like I used to listen to Unqeki, I used to listen to Mangatheni yabo, and like that's what we want bro. Like there's no need for us but here I can't passion mamelo Lil Wayne can't not bra, like real content is lapha esithathweni, like we out here too yabo.
We really need a platform ezinje abahlali, even more we really need youth spaces.
I always say videos like shout out to Tasiya Msimkhulu yabo kum
street vision
street, okay, yeah, basically street vision yabo, because of Jongoku yabo. We local artists like access sizabakhona ku YouTube, say we telling our story yabo, nizakwazi uyiva lewe yabo. That's what I want man yabo, like bani nazo, like you can say Khrodman unayila nduka equipment nendoni suncisha man. Why does it have to be about the money? Like let's make it about the love. We all know like we need the money, we need the paper, but now I'm telling you, you make it out of love, you'll benefit more than the money. Reality.
What's coming for NPA? Are you working on a project?
So I waited for that question, but except I would say between 26, 27, 28, I'm releasing EP yabo. It's called The Amazing World of Mthembu yabo. Yeah, you can hear the title.
Mthembu is actually your clan.
Yeah, bro. Wow. Yeah, bro. Mthembu. Otherwise, it's to go some ngumyeka umjugu yabo umanzu. Ke ngoku siphansi kwabathembu yabo. Omadiba obani ngabana kwethu aba yabo. Esibake udibeka kanje dijani ba.
Njengoba sisho kuyijani camaka baxhosini.
Yes, so I was saying about okay, another date between 20 and May about I'm releasing EP The Amazing World of Mthembu. It consists of 10 songs. I featured abantu abathathu phana, so basically ingoma ezi7 it's all me yabo. So
ndacela ta xola ngophazamisa ngicela uba khona kuMthembu. NdingumXhosa kodwa abaXhosa nabaThembu abahlukanga.
Okay, I said every local artist just sabotage the camera. I can't say no to
sometimes behind the scene. Where can we find your music?
Yes sir, right about now and you can find my music on YouTube, on SoundCloud, on Audio Mac. But the EP is gonna change everything, yeah, bro. If you follow me, man, like go Facebook, go Instagram, yeah, bro. Like ngoku we trying, we say we trying to evaluate,
I really fucks with this character. Uputi indlela acinga ngayo, I really like it, and
like the way it's been kum le way kakhulu yabo.
It's good veins.
Yeah, bro, like music na kuwe most in the time about give veins. We do this shit out of talent and
we're living it.
Yeah,
living it, man.
You guys are twins,
there was one time up uta siyabonga esithi kum ukubonile and uthi ebecinga uba undim. uthi ukubonile ku-event.
Which I said that
No,
you have the same energy, bro, and I appreciate the way.
That's
why I don't go to Amazing World of Mthembu, because when we want that collabo,
Dango to Street Vision.
Yes, sir.
Dango to MPA.
Yeah.
Amazing World of Mthembu dropping 20th of May.
Yeah.
Nichonge.
Okay. MBA Mthembu, so under Facebook is NBA Mthembu, Instagram Snatemba NBA Mthembu. Then please guys, go follow the page, the Cape Town local artist magazine. Please guys.
Yeah.
Like say, nivi stories man. Nivi stories like
original.
Yeah man, I appreciate now for putting me this side. Yeah, things are feeling different. Shout out to you.
The energy is amazing, man. I won't lie, man.
Yeah.
I wish well for you, my brother. Thank you so much for having us, man. Shout out, bro. Shout out, bro. Street Vision, let's go to the event. So, babona betanisa. I'm like, oh cool, come in, toxic people like cut that, then I the past come back. It's not like it's moving with passion, I keep on the question, don't know you calling, I you hoping, you want to go with passion, settle the love ones, my man. Hey, it's Street Vision, Khanya Maykee, hleli apha nosisi wam. Uzozichaza ke usisi, siselapha ke kwi-freedom of expression. But ngoku siyivala kamnandi ngosisi, ozosixelela uba yintoni ayenzayo yena.
Molweni, ndingulinda igama lam umafuna ifana ndihlala apha eKhayelitsha. Ndingumntu obhizi kakhulu, ndinayo i-soup kitchen ne-aftercare program, ndinayo ne-catering. Ndiyakwathengisa nenyama, but namhlanje ndibesi-street vendor apha for today, just to accommodate i-participants ebezilapha. Ndiyathengisa i-chip roll, ndiyathengisa i-burger, ndiyathengisa i-chips, ndiyathengisa kunye nekota, so that abantu batye, because ukutya brings people together.
Ingase usixelele sisi wam what it means i-freedom kuwe.
I-freedom kum it means kukukhululeka, which is into esisekude kuyo leyo gqithi, but ke siyazama indlela esizama ngayo, because asisakhululekanga endlini. You are not free, awukho safe, anytime kuyangenwa kuqhekezwe kwenziwe whatever. Ezitratweni we are not safe, so i-freedom I think it's a process esikuyo at the moment. We are not free yet because zinintsi izinto sisachallenjana nazo at the moment.
Utsho ke usisi wam uthi inkululeko ayikabikho ncam yona, kodwa sithi xa sidibene senze imihlola, masibe tsolo sizazi uba sisukaphi. Ibalulekile imine nje, iyafana ne-heritage, iyafana ne-June 16. We need to teach more youth about into ezinjenge-June 16 uba zizi-dates ezibalulekileyo ezo. Sisi wam ubulapha uzoba si-street vendor and apha ubona italente. Ufila njani abantwana xa besenza ngohlobo?
Hayi, ndibone umahluko gqitheni uwenzileyo namhlanje. Abantwana at least ka bayicelebrate etywaleni, bayicelebrate kwinto ezibalulekileyo, and by doing ii-events ezikanje zenza abantwana baphinde babuyele umva, because I'm so worried about abantwana abakhoyo nowadays ba-engage kwizinto ezinegative. But xa kuba kwi-event ezinje izo-remind into yoba we are still kids, we need to celebrate ezi zinto, we need to be engaged kwizinto ezipositive.
We need more youth spaces njengoba usitsho.
Resources, yes, ne-street vendors to be recognized, sibe khona kwizinto zonke ezenzeka ekuhlaleni, because i-business is one of izinto ngoku esime ngazo, because if you are over 35 there is no opportunity for you. So the only thing is i-business, and i-businesses ezike ngonazo sine-challenges esisame phambi kwazo. Yes.
Mhlesisi wam uncobe kakuhle, sibulela kakhulu wonke umuntu obehamba nawe, nabalingani bakho, nee-colleagues zakho, nabantu bonke oze nabo. Enkosi kakhulu, nathi siphatheke kakuhle namhlanje. Enkosi.
Fake friends, fake humans, that ring a bell. I've been through a lot of shit, but I don't fucking tell. Bitches is blacked out, I fucking bail on me. Bitches just tryna fuck me, but I don't fall easily. You tryna play me physically, nigga, I'm stable mentally. How the fuck am I miss feelings?
Hey yo, uyabona njengoba esibabesishilo
The show is fire.
Yeah, show is fire too. So siyavala ngo yabo, siyavala ngo yabo. Otherwise like siyabulela kumuntu wonke ophulaphileyo, siyabulela for abantu bebenza event organizers. Yabo, that's what we need. How do you feel about today?
I feel so good, man. Shout out to my team, Street Vision, you know? And also shout out to Umhambi Wendlela. Freedom of expression means something to me.
So, from me and my boy, we out here.
Nothing cry.
Yeah. Sha!
Applying the pressure, I feel like a bully. Flow can be crazy, a young nigga stupid. Foot on the necks, I buzz on the necks. I feel like it's pressure. Was on the man, take on says as that lead. Who make gas, Billy rough, fussy black. I got chance, Naganjan, funny man, Sazopan, and no lamb. Oi, Mandani. Big unzi, but I stayed on the grind. Fuggy food, take your foot off the clutch. Youngie Dave, Inzi, Jongi Squad, Cbaj, Isugil, Kuzonyi,